Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to loop music videos on YouTube on your phone. So this is going to work for any device, no matter if it's Samsung, iPhone, whatever you have, it's going to be the same process with whatever you have. So first of all, you're going to want to go ahead and click on YouTube and type in the music video you want to loop. Once you've got that up and clicked on that video, then you're going to get to this screen here, and then you're going to want to click save in that little place in there, and then you're going to want to go change. Then you're going to want to change it to a new playlist. And then you're going to want to type in your playlist name, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. Just type in whatever. Then you go click create. If you don't want it to be public, which you most likely won't if it's just you playing, looping a music video, you're going to want to click on private. And then you're going to want to go ahead and click create. And once that's done, so you want to click saved and make sure it's ticked in the playlist there. You can see that all them are like random letters I just typed in. As you click done, and once you've done that, click on the top left hand corner. It's going to bring down so you can see the toolbar at the bottom where it's got trending, subscriptions, inbox. Then you're going to want to click on library. That's the way you're going to want to go. And then you're going to turn off that video there at the bottom. And then you're going to want to see your probably actually load it if it hasn't loaded already. Sometimes you need to go to the top, just scroll it down. It'll refresh the page, then you'll see your playlist there. Click on that playlist, then click on the video. And once you've clicked on the video, this will be your music video here. The reason why I'm using this is because otherwise I might get a copyright strike if I use someone else's music, so I don't want to do that. So once you get to this page here and you're playing the video and you want to loop it, click on the little like replay button. It's the button that is going to appear blue right now on your screen. It's that one there. It's going to loop the video. So basically when you get to the end of the video, hopefully it's going to do it here. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So when you get to the end of it, it should loop. And if it doesn't, you have to click it again. We're going to see if it's going to loop first time here. Yeah, so you can see it just looped. So pretty much that's what you're going to want to do is hit loop one video. If you want to do multiple videos in like a playlist or whatever, then you're going to want to obviously put all the videos in this playlist, all the music videos you want to watch. And listen to. You're going to want to put them all in here, then do the same thing. It's going to be the same thing when you get to the end of the video. It's going to loop, as you can see here, refresh, loops again. So that's what you're going to want to do. Click like on the video if this did help out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click one of the links to the videos or playlists on the screen. That's it for now. See you in the next video.